don't recognize today myself.
And then
I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself.
good afternoon guys. Ayan, 299,500 plus na ako, pero dyan nakalagay sa social blade is 299. Today is June 23, Tuesday. Hapon eh. Parating na yung mga bata and yeah. Hindi ko alam kung makukuha natin yan today. So, yeah, tinitingnan lang namin. But anyway, thank you so much guys. Sobra grabe yung support ang binigay nyo sa amin. Sobrang thank you. And hopefully ngayon talaga siya mag-reach ng 300 kasi bukas aalis kami. So pag bukas pa to and bukas mangyari yung 300, hindi ko to makikita kasi nasa labas kami ni John. Right, Baba, what you gonna say? What you gonna say to people?
Maybe you said 100,000.
It's not 100,000, Baba. We're gonna reach 300,000. So what you gonna say to the people?
Catch up, peoples.
And
Mwah. I love you, peoples. Mwah. Bye.
no, we're not saying bye-bye yet.
Can I run this
Ano, don't draw there, Baba.
on the back?
And kanina, nagpaluto yung mga boys
Can I run?
na eto ba yung saba, binaon nila. What are you doing? No, don't write that, Baba. That's mine.
Can I get this thing?
So, ayan, hintayin natin hanggang mamayang gabi. Dito na yung boys. Hello.
Mom, I have a hole with
I love
one
you.
leg.
Why? What happened?
Saturated soap.
Okay, change it. Love you.
Okay. Oh my god, how much? Nearly 300.
Yes, ayan, nandito na sila. And, ayan, refresh ko siya. Pero hindi siya umaangat. Pero dun sa sa studio, na siya, more than 299,000 plus na siya. So, hopefully, ma-reach natin siya today kasi yun nga, bukas, alis kami ni John. Ha? Are you excited, Kuya? Ha?
Was this? Yes. She's nearly 300,000 subscribers.
Oh, cover your thing! Wala, hindi pa.
Saturated soap.
Yeah, just...
Saying
Someone's more saturated than me. I slipped in a puddle.
Well, okay, change now, please. Change now. Okay, change.
I'm changing.
Okay.
Mom, can I go outside with my jacket? I'm gonna do it.
They're not going outside, Baba, because it's freezing outside. Akala niya kasi magkikik ng footy yung mga bata. So, magluluto na. Kuya, I'm gonna cook your, the vegetables, the string beans.
Oh yeah.
Yes, favorite niya yun eh. So, magluluto muna ako. Okay. How's your, banana? Huh? Very good? Are you gonna eat this?
Yep.
Okay, yan na yung ang kanyang snack. So, magluluto muna ako ng dinner.
I'm gonna say 100,000 now.
It's not 100. What is it, Kuya?
300 subscribers.
300,000.
100,000.
300,000 subscribers.
This is
What, Kuya?
best.
The best daw yung banana, oh. Oh, di ba? Si Sak, ayun, nag-business siya ng West Coast. Kasi magkikik na naman siya ng footy sa labas. Ganyan ang ginagawa nila every day after school. Wait, we're gonna watch this, okay? We're gonna watch this one. Can you watch it for Mommy? Because Mommy is gonna cook. But it's not moving. Hindi pa talaga siya nag-move. Pero so, lampas na siya dyan. Huh?
I've got an idea.
What? What's your idea? What's your idea? Okay, it's alright. Alright, I will cover. Yeah?
How about we come put the computer on here.
Okay.
And cooking.
Okay, my idea. While I'm cooking?
Yeah. Don't look like
Who's gonna vlog?
Holly can. No, you can put the camera here.
Oh, di ba ang idea ni Kuya? How about you vlog, Kuya?
I want to.
You want to?
Mom, don't look at me. I'll put my face.
Okay. Sak, look at this, Sak. We're almost 300,000. Are you excited?
Wait, so when you do that vlog, will people view it and put it?
Pardon? 300,000? No, when I upload this, we already reached 300,000. So that's why I'm vlogging it. But it's not moving. But we are more than. We only need little more to reach 300, Zach. Only little.
One more?
Not one more. Like,
10.
I think 200 or 300. Kasi tinignan ko siya kanina, 500. Tapos, after 1 hour or 2 hours, umangat ulit siya. So, konti na lang talaga. As in. Yes. Kuya, you can kick for a few minutes, okay? And then come back, okay?
No, but where?
Because Daddy's gonna come home soon. Nagpaano si Jan? He went to the chiropractor to fix his shoulder because his fault.
Wait,
Zach,
then how come his old car's here?
yeah, he used the AMRAC, yeah. Zach, how's your banana? Good?
No, his is cool Zach.
What about?
He's hopping in the roof. He wasn't waiting for that. Now he hold his shoulder.
Oh, kasi si Zach,
For young Earth.
that's right. Kasi si Zach, kinik niya yung footy sa taas, sa bubong, and pinakyat ni Jan. And then, pag akyat ni Zach, hindi pa ready si Jan. Si Zach, umano na kay Jan, kaya na-hurt yung, yung kanyang shoulder. Kasi mataas yun, yung, alam niyo yun, yung doon, umaakyat yan si Zach, tapos,
Is it still?
ha? Ano? Still not moving, Kuya.
Why would it take so day?
Wait lang, guys, ha? Kasi si Kuya na-excite.
I'll hold it, Mom.
Huh? You wanna hold her? You know how?
Yeah.
Don't move, okay? You might. Okay, don't move, ah. Okay. Wait, I'll put this one here. Ilagay natin to. Okay, put your arm. Yeah. Okay. Vlog, Kuya. Like that, okay? You have to practice if you wanna be a vlogger.
299,000 and 39.
Anong 13 na?
839.
Yeah.
Is it now?
Yeah, this is now.
How come that's more?
Yeah, it's not moving. It's 299 dito sa Social Blade.
Oh, I know what.
What?
Because that one's got to be the same as that.
We're dito sa... Oh, what are you doing, Baba? Dito sa sa isa kong sa studio, YouTube studio. Pero dito sa...
Put some socks in.
Okay, put your socks. Thank you, Holly. Okay, get your jumper. Okay, get your jumper. 299,839 subscribers na tayo. Thank you, guys. My goodness. Pati yung mga bata excited. Si Kuya excited. Pero ayun, hindi nga siyang maangat. I-refresh ko ulit. Wait lang. Refresh natin ulit. Sasampay pa pala ako. And thank you din, guys, kasi more than 100,000 plus na rin tayo sa Chona's Kitchen. Sobrang thank you. And parating na yung nito.
Hang on.
Yung ating, ayan, 115 tayo dito. Pero, doon tayo sa Chona. Pero, thank you so much, guys. Sobrang thank you. Chona and my kids.
This can work a little bit better.
Okay. Search. What are you doing, Kuya? Okay, live. Ayan, hindi talaga umaangat. Ayan. So, magluto muna ako.
Still there.
Yeah, still, Kuya. It's not moving.
I can't.
Can you watch it for me? Oh my God. Masaya to kung makapture ko talaga na nandyan sila tapos nakita nila, no? Kaso magluluto ako, magsasampay ako, ilalabas ko yung sampayan pala. Kuya, can you get the clothing line, please? For Mama? It's in baby's room. Eto, naglagay pala kami ng cord kasi sobrang lamig dito ngayon as in. At kahapon, especially kahapon. So, naglagay ng cord si Jan kasi etong fireplace, meron siyang fan. So, sinaksak ni Jan kagabi tsaka kaninang umaga. And mamaya, gagamitin rin namin. So, may extension kami kasi wala kaming saksakan dyan. No, the other one. Okay, thank you. Ayun yung namin, ang layo ng PowerPoint, kaya meron tayong extension cord dito. Pero hindi naman yan. Kahapon lang tuloy na bus kasi sobrang lamig. So, mamaya, isasaksak ulit kasi sobrang lamig na dito. And yung mga bata, sinampay nila yung uniform nila dito. Thanks, Kuya. Hala, ang kabog ng dibdib ko. Thank you, guys. My goodness, thank you. Oh, Kuya, are you right? Naipit. O, diba? Ito ang ating ginagawa. You like it, Nak? So good. Kuya, can you just watch it, Kuya? What's that, Zach?
You'll be bored watching it.
You're gonna be bored watching it. Who? Kuya TJ? Why? Why is gonna be bored? It's exciting.
No, but he's just staring at it. Could you subscribe your own channel?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it.
I did. Hindi ko alam.
Do
Hindi
one
ko,
more, then it'll come up and say 3,000.
3,000? What's it? 3,300?
300,000. Do it.
I think I already subscribed to my own channel, Kuya. Chona's Kitchen, I think, subscribe to Chona and my kids. How about you, Kuya? Do you want to have a channel? Huh?
Yes, please.
Ano?
You've already got your own channel.
No, Holly hasn't.
But she's got a name, all things Holly.
Yeah, just a name, but not a channel.
Yes, she does. She
What's
has
a channel?
one channel.
I haven't, no, that's me and Holly.
So that's both of your channels then.
Yeah. Pardon, Kuya?
We have bad internet.
Yeah, hindi kami makapag-live kasi mahina yung internet namin. Right, Kuya? Our internet is not that really fast.
Not good.
Not good.
Kuya.
Kaya hindi kami makakapag-live. Kaya i-vlog ko na lang, guys. I'm
How
gonna
come
cook your
you
favorite
don't-
one, Kuya.
What?
The,
Oh, yeah.
The string beans. What you call that? Ano nga yun sa Tagalog? Sa amin, hantaki, sa Bicol.
Mom.
Batong. Batong ba? Sasampay muna ako, guys.
Mom.
Yes?
Can I watch that?
What's that?
On YouTube?
How are you gonna watch that one? You're not allowed to watch on YouTube, remember?
Oh, yeah.
You cannot watch, remember? Wala silang access, guys, sa YouTube. Hindi ko sila pinapanood. Minsan lang pag meron, pag kasama nila ako. Yes. Where's your...
phone?
Ako paniwala na. Magti-300 na ako. Tayo yan. Ay, bakit ikaw? Si Kuya yung tatalian ko. Come here.
I'm not Holly.
Because Mommy is just too
I'm not
excited.
Holly.
Come on, Papa. Si Sak na po board maghintay kay TJ.
That means
Ayan si Sak, oh.
what's the five for me?
Kasi hindi siya makakalaro footing, wala si Kuya. Kasi sino ang pagpapasa niya ng footy? Sak, tomorrow you can.
Mom, just put it here and you cook and just... That's my idea.
No, because I cannot watch it. I want to see your expression when we reach 300. Boring. Sabi ni Sak, it's boring daw to look.
Mom, I will.
Oh, you will? Okay, Baba, here, Baba. Okay, why don't you entertain our subscribers? Come on. Say hi, guys. So, for example, this is All Things Holly. And that's All Things Holly. We're gonna put this one here. Si Mami magsasampay.
Wait, Mama, be back.
She's gonna do some cooking, isn't it?
I know, yun kasi laging ginagawa ni Holly. Nagpipretend siya na. Tapos, siguro ilagay ko dito yung isa kong, kasi may dalawa tayong camera, diba? Paano kaya?
Is that the new one?
No, that's the new one.
Oh.
Paano kaya yan that one, like this? Siguro ganyan na lang, no, Kuya? Diba? Hindi kasi ako marunong, guys, mag-ano-ano, kung paano yan ipakita. Wala akong talent na ganyan. Alam ko lang basic. Okay. So, like this. Can you see it, Kuya? Tingnan nga muna. Dito ako tumitingin sa sa isa kasi yung haba na nito. 3 minutes na. Patayin na lang muna natin.
What if it takes half an hour?
I know, right, Kuya? Magluluto muna ako. Ay, magsasampay muna ako. So, how many? Look. How many? Louder.
299,845 subscribers.
Ayan si Holly. O, kumuha na siya ng kanyang mga pero patayin ko muna kasi mahaba na to. So, okay. Eto, nakauna ba to? Kasi 299 pa rin talaga siya. Oops, Kuya. Wait. Ayan na si Holly. Oh, Holly. Ayan na po si Holly. Sige, ayan si Holly silang dalawa. while mommy is cooking. Ay, hindi pala magkukook muna. Magsasampay muna ako, guys. Ang tagal nito. Okay? Hindi kasi kayo makakapag-live. Ayan na. Okay, you talk to people while Kuya is watching our, White Kuya. Mauubusan tayo ng battery. Baka pag na-reach natin, wala na akong, lobat na yung mga, battery.
Hi guys! Welcome to our friend's Holly. Today we're gonna cook chips.
You have to look here, remember?
Okay guys, now I'm gonna cook today.
I'm gonna hang the clothes first.
How do you make it?
Second, you just
How do you make
pick
it?
all these clothes here for
So
me.
guys, I'm gonna of the milk. Mom, read all this up then.
Huh?
My mixer.
Wow. Okay, you forgot? Okay. Ito po ang niya, Andyan si Mushi. Lagi nandyan si Mushi. Nakabantay sa kanya si Mushi.
Mom, the thing turned off again.
Okay. Ayan si
My
Mushi.
mixer.
You got your mixer?
Yes, here it is. Just in here.
Okay.
Like sushi.
You're right now there?
Yeah. Okay.
Sabi ko kay Kuya, pwede muna sila maglaro ng footy kasi nasa 800 pa lang naman. So, mayroon pa tayong hinihintay. Mga less than 100 na lang palang hinihintay natin. Sabi ko, pwede sila mag-kick ni Sa.
If I'm out there kicking the footy, what if I'm kicking the footy and then it turns 300,000, so I'm gonna have to stay here.
Oh, okay, okay. Stay na lang daw si Kuya dyan. So, sige, i-on ko na lang. Kasi ang haba na kaya ng vlog natin, Kuya. Sobrang haba na.
But when it's on,
Holly, cook now while it's on.
Okay, cook na baba. Sige, magsampay na ako. I-on ko lang daw, sabi ni Kuya. Okay, Kuya. And this one. Nakahiga lang si Kuya. Thank you. Si Sak talaga, hindi naboboard si Sak. Andun siya nanunood. Inutusan kong pulutin niya yung mga damit na nasa lapag. Kasi si Holly. Sak, come on.
today, guys, I'm just gonna mix it to oil. I put oil down because one oil for day. I'm gonna oil. Oil means you don't want to cook it and paste of one. I'm gonna cook for 100. Okay, guys, put it 100. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try it in yummy hot. Okay, guys, now a little bit pepper.
That's salt.
Is it pole? I mean salt. No, it's pepper. It's pepper or salt. Okay, guys. I put it into the 100. Okay, guys. Now I'm cooking it to 100 or sugar. I think I want today of milk. Meat. Because I just meat and that's it. And I was gonna cook. We don't want today. I just mixed it up for wait 2 days, guys. Take the other chips out. Okay, guys.
Do you want to wait while I'm hanging these clothes, Kuya? And while you're watching that one, do you want to do the cut the string beans so that you just do this? You don't want
Can
to?
I open the
What?
stickies?
What stickies?
You know the stickies from Coles?
Oh, no, not the stickies because we got lots here. We have plenty here, Kuya.
Could I stick them like?
This one? You want to play this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to
Okay. Oh, well, you have to watch here. Go there. So, naboboard sila. Bigyan natin sila ng trabaho.
You need to make
Sabi
a
ko,
piece of sun-dried.
yeah. Go there, Sako. Sit next to Kuya.
can't open it.
Yan na lang yung kanilang gagawin para hindi sila ma-bored maghintay dito. Okay, akin na to.
Sticky!
Okay, no. Okay, no arguing, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it. Hang on.
I want these, the pineapple.
There's no pineapple.
Banana. Mom, I have to use my toes.
Okay.
One is bad.
Okay, sila. Ako guys, eto pala ako guys. Oh. Ito na yung ginagawa ko. Wait na. Nag-start na ako magsampay. Habang yung mga bata, sila yung mag-watch ng countdown. And after nun, magluluto ako. Okay?
I know the 4 rings.
What's his
Si
name?
Mushi, oh. Si Mushi dyan, oh. Dito na lang si Mushi. Where you gonna put Mushi? Here? Where? Here, Mushi.
See, Mushi wanna play it.
Mushi wanna play it? Okay. Ang haba nitong
Look at these ones.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Don't forget to watch that one too, Kuya. Huh?
I am.
Why don't you remove this sag? It's hot here.
Look at this one.
Okay, you play. You tell Polly what kind of vegetable. You're gonna remove your clothes, sir.
What is this one?
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, kiwi.
What is this?
Orange.
Wait, nom. Wait, guys, I'll be back. I just will be back in a second.
Okay, where are you going, Baba?
Zach, I'm gonna put him right with all of them. So give me all these people like this because I'm gonna put them in groups. And bananas go there with another banana somewhere.
And that. What's around these goes here.
And another pineapple.
Right? Where's these guys?
And when we, after that, Kuya, I'm gonna cook.
Mom, someone did this to me.
Oh, someone gave that to you. Yeah.
Someone did this to me.
What is it?
Yeah, that's
Corn.
Oh. Yep, Zach. Oh, I know who it is.
Did you remember that? From,
Teacher Way.
no, not Peter Ray's, the one from the party at Dion's house. Remember Howie?
Oh, I know.
Dion's house.
Yeah.
Where is there another? There's tomatoes. Holly, let's find another corn.
Yeah.
Oh, tomato, strawberries. Tomato, I've got the tomatoes.
No, these are strawberries.
No, tomatoes.
These are strawberries.
Oh, I've got tomatoes. If you got a fat one, they're a tomato.
What is these tiles?
They're blueberries.
Oh, yum. Blueberry. Blueberry.
Two.
What is this? Mommy? What is this?
What's that one?
Eggplant.
Ask Kuya teacher.
Eggplant.
Is it eggplant?
Eggplant, yeah.
Okay. But what's the other one eggplant? No! Oh, these superhero guys.
Yeah.
Mom! Dion did this to me too.
What's
Two
that?
at the party.
Alright.
There's only one banana.
Yeah. Here's another.
Oh,
You got the carrots?
Kuya, watch that thing, Kuya.
Yeah. Okay, these are two carrot people. I got one potato.
And one baked.
There's
Nah,
another eggplant. Another egg. Oh, pineapple. There goes the pineapple. So there's one, one grape. Hey, there.
Kuya,
What is that?
what does this?
I'm doing a nice thing. Oh, here. Oh, where's this one? Where's this one? What is it? Where's this? Where's this? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh,
Mom,
the potato.
Yes?
what is this?
What's that?
Yeah.
Ask for your TJ.
Oh,
What's that? Let me see what color.
green.
Cabbage?
Oh, no, I got that here.
Or maybe that's a asparagus?
Yeah.
Mom, did you give this to
No,
me?
no. Only one gave it to you.
Exactly, all them piles.
Hey,
Ang haba na ng tapos na ako magsampay.
Mom, I put them all in groups.
Okay.
Some of them will buy themselves.
Which one? This one? This is grapes,
I
kuya.
know.
I just said that it's babes.
Oh, wow.
Look,
Okay.
those are...
I'll give you 5 each, okay, to open?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you. Stay there.
Because we need more groups because some of them
Can
only
you
have
see,
one.
Mommy?
alright, you can
So is the banana. Oh, and that. Nah, he's just saying that's a carrot but glow in the dark.
I can actually.
Look at this.
Mom, you said we will open it one day, but you can't open them ones. They're them little shop things.
Guys, eto, yung mga collection
Mom,
ko.
what echo means?
Eto, this is, eto
Mom,
means.
no,
Sit down,
we
Baba,
can't
please.
get these ones. These are them cookie
Yes.
jar thingies.
Ito yung mga nakolekta ko. Pag merong yung calls, yung mga stickies, tapos yung
Mom,
grocery.
we've had one of them for like 2
babe.
years.
2 years na ba? Ito, ito yung shopping. Shopee, this is one shopping. Yeah. Little shop. Ito na yung edition nila
Oh,
na
no, they're not
second
one.
edition to. Kasi meron silang first. So, hindi natin ito. Ito pa. Wait, I'm just gonna show it.
We'll go these ones.
Ayan. Yung mga
These are the
Shopee to.
Mom, these are the ones.
Ito yung gusto nila. Okay,
They're the
wait.
same as these.
Ayan, basta madami to.
No, they're
So, wag
different.
natin itong buksan kasi. Kakalat lang to. So, which one you wanna open? This one or this one?
This one.
That one.
So, etong bag na to.
They're
tsaka
both sticky.
stickies. And
Okay, this one.
this is stickies to.
We go these
Am I
ones.
having this
No,
one?
some of them are.
Which one you want?
Wait,
So,
Almost that one.
okay. Okay, this one.
What are these?
The same as this. So,
We all open
no, not all because we got lots here, kuya.
Aw,
5 each, okay?
5 each.
Okay. Holly, sit down, please. Wait for your turn. I give Kuya first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Para hindi sila
Okay,
mabuhat.
I'm opening.
And Zachary, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Thank you.
5. How about you, Holly?
This one.
Just 3, tatlo, 5. 1,
No, Mom, these are not the ones.
Why?
These are way different.
3, 4,
These are different than
5. This is the new one. Okay, Baba.
That's
these. No, we need
You have to show it to them what you got.
these.
I got
That's
big
potatoes.
Mom, I showed it to the guys.
Yeah, I don't think so. I saw.
Mom, I showed it to the guys.
Here. Okay, I'll change it.
There's
No, okay. Okay, give it back. So, etong gusto ni Kuya. Okay, don't open this one. Mas gusto ni Kuya.
I accidentally opened one to check.
Okay.
Same.
Okay. Gusto nila yung isa.
One of them dropped. One of them dropped on the floor there.
Where? Okay.
So I'll go.
So, eto yung pinakauna na stickies. Yung kanina binuksan ni Kuya. Where is it now, Kuya? Where's the one you open? Ito yung bago ng stickies. Ayan, oh.
Mom, can you put that one over there because
I'm just gonna put it there.
that's yours.
Yeah.
These
Okay,
are-
5. Okay, Kuya. 1, 2, 3,
Give it to
4,
Maple.
5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Yay, I got one of these.
1,
Take one of these.
2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron pa tayong natira. Okay?
Now the kiwi. I got this.
Ibalik ko to. Ano, ilang minutes na ba to? 13.
Open this.
Okay. Sit down properly so people can see you, Baba. Check natin dito.
Mom, here.
Just put it here. Just put it here, your wrapper here. Or here. Put it here.
I'm gonna go on the dark one.
Wow.
What is it? They go there.
I have the same one.
What's that?
This.
Yeah,
have
now
the
one
same
from
one.
here. Baba, they go there.
this
That one goes there.
Sana talagang ngayon, no? Kasi baka bukas pa to. 852.
This one.
Ibalik ko itong
Carrot.
mga kinuha ko. Magluluto na ako. Anong oras na? Oras na.
You get any banana? No. That's all.
Mom, can I have one more to see if there's a banana?
Yeah, banana's only got one.
Okay, you have fruits.
My favorite carrot.
You got carrots?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
show the
where's the
people.
potato?
People can
I got
see you.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Carrot.
So we all get one more.
Okay, one. You have, no,
Can
one
I
only.
have one, sir?
One only,
Yeah,
sir.
I got three food.
No, yeah. Stop. No, Kuya PJ will get his.
One.
Please be one. No.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, one only.
God! What is it? So we've got too many. Oh, I know, right?
What are you looking for? Ah, banana.
Yes.
We only have one banana.
Yeah.
It's only.
What is all we have?
Kasi isa lang yung banana nila. This is all
I got in strawberry.
strawberries. Wala, nag-isa lang talaga yung
Wow.
banana. How about carrots?
Mom,
No, there's tons
give
of
me the
carrots.
wrong one.
No, it is the same, Baba.
And we need more grapes too.
What's that?
Oh, pineapple.
Pineapple.
There. I
Yeah.
wish it was banana too.
Grapes. Okay. Go, hurry up, Baba. Magluluto pa si Mommy.
Yeah, we only got two glow in the dark ones. And more oranges.
Oranges. Orange. Yeah, you got 3 orange now.
Hey, what are these? And we need
This
one
one's
of
the
these.
same? No, what's this?
They're apples.
I just
How about
colored.
this?
I colored that in.
Why?
And Mum, we need more of these thingies.
What's that?
Tell me what you get.
What you get, Baba?
More orange.
Orange.
Nice.
Ah,
Oh, I
pineapple.
thought that was banana.
Is
Oh.
it Holly's got one more though?
Gusto ni Sak mahanap yung banana.
And we need corn too.
Yeah,
So
Lord.
I just opened the ones that we
Apples.
No,
Is it?
that's strawberries.
Strawberries,
Here,
Baba.
Baba, over here.
Strawberries.
Mom, can we have one more?
Gusto niya, okay, open. Ipabuksan na niya. Okay, all of this. Okay, open all of this.
Oh!
Kuya will, okay, Kuya will hold it. Get one.
Yeah.
Okay, one. No, just one and open it, Holly.
So I
Oh, yeah,
got
one more here.
this guy.
Okay,
Carrot.
pinabuksan ko na sa kanila. Lahat.
Carrot.
Yung ano lang, yung first edition ng ano, stickies ito. Ang tagal na to. 2 years ago na ba to, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Oh, yeah, it is pumpkin, Baba.
Guys, here.
So.
There better be one.
Hindi talaga gumagalaw. Same pa rin siya, 299.
Oh, I got one of these.
What's that? That's, ano nga to? Radish. This is
Pineapple.
radish. Sana makakuha kayo kahit isa man lang na banana. Isa lang kayo ang banana. Cute pa naman ang banana. Ayan. Banana? Is it banana?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, yeah, Mom.
What's
Maybe.
that? Magbukas ako ng isa. Oh no! What's this?
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark. Tingnan ka cute. Ano, radish na?
No, it isn't.
It is.
Cucumber.
Ah, cucumber. Ah, okay. Ayan.
I want to use it.
Have we got two?
Okay, ayan. Ang cute.
No, we will get a glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
Ow, that hurt my leg.
Ang cute. Nag-iisa lang siyang white.
They glow in the dark ones. See, look at this one.
Yeah, how many? Ah, yes! Oo nga, umiilaw sila.
And there should be one more somewhere.
Banana.
Yes!
And
Isa ka
now-
nakakuha
and
ng
now
banana.
this
Wow! Di ba? Si Sak yung nag-wish na makakuha siyang banana. Kuha din siya
And
sa
now we got
wakas.
another glow in
Ayan,
the
oh.
dark.
Dalawa na yung banana.
Mom, we got another
Wait, Baba,
glow
wait,
in the
Baba.
dark.
Ayan na, dalawa na. Si Tag nakuha ng isa. No, this is Kuya Sa.
Where's all the
Ayan.
stickies?
This
cute.
Yes, we got a grape. That was mine. Honey,
Bang
where's all the
gulo.
stickies gone?
What's
I
that?
didn't really get to open that one.
Here, one more, Kuya.
Oh, cool.
Okay, put on.
Everyone, close your ears. It's the final one.
Okay, go.
Close your
No,
eyes.
that's Kuya Sa. Kuya TJ.
Close your eyes, Holly.
Close your eyes, Baba. Yes?
Can we make
Baba,
piles
put
in
all your stuff here,
White
Papa. Thank you. Whoa! Oops. Go, Kuya.
Hello. What's going on?
I'll put it in the bin.
No.
Go,
Just
Kuya.
open it.
I'll do it.
Okay, I can't do it. I won't do anything. Yay. See what it is.
It's not banana sack. You got the banana sack.
Mom, can we open the other
Oh,
one?
yeah. What?
Can we open the rest of them?
No, that's too many. Yes.
We didn't get to open one of these.
What's that?
pairs.
So, pakita muna natin yung mga binuksan nyo. Can you put all your trash here, please, Zachary? What's that?
Oh, Holly!
Baba.
Oh, there goes one down there.
Pinagsama-sama nila lahat.
Oh, we won't get to play pretty.
No, finish, Baba. No more.
I just need this much, Mom.
It's all, oh, there's grapes over there, Baba.
Mom, we just need a
Mom, here,
pair.
Mom.
Huh?
We just need a pair.
Fair.
Oh, Mom, can these ones be for your teachers and Mom?
No, that's it. Because that's too many.
I don't want all of them. I'm just having these ones.
Ito yung mga nakuha nila. Ito na lahat ng stickies. Ng old stickies.
Guys, Kuya.
Yung pinakaunang linabas ng coal.
Where are these guys?
That's the next
Ayan.
part.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Tomato.
Hey,
Holly still got one more.
We got one more, Sally. Okay,
Now the
open it,
final one.
Baba. Open it, Baba.
Pop it, Holly.
Pop it. Mommy will pop it. You can't. Okay, Mommy na lang.
Yeah. See that now.
Okay, no more now.
Let's open it, Bob.
Open it, Baba. Okay, Kuya, open it, please. Banana! Last one, banana. So may tatlo na tayong banana.
This is Zach. He wants to put it in.
Yeah, put it there, Papa. Put it there. All
Let's
right.
go with the glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
Okay, and here we go again.
Okay. Okay, Kuya Sa. We have to put it here, Baba. Oh. I'll give it back to you.
But the only glow in the dark ones.
Oh.
Teachers.
Which one?
All of them.
Just choose one, please, Holly.
Mine.
Oh, which one?
That one's still.
No, yung green daw. Wow. Oh. Okay, hurry up. Ikaw nagsabing pili eh.
Okay, here we go.
This is mine.
Look at Baba. Look. See? See that? See? Umiilaw siya.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. Tomato, eggplant, corn, pear, grapes, pineapples,
This is
blueberries,
now.
oranges, onions, mangoes, broccolis, cabbages, cucumbers, bananas.
What's that one? What's this one?
I know.
What's this
Isn't
one?
that the
Pumpkin.
no
This is-
pumpkins?
Ah,
You know them spicy things like those
capsicum.
capsicum.
Buti pa si Kuya alam niya.
No.
Lemon.
Lemon,
Kiwi.
kiwi.
What's this
I
one?
do not know.
That's. I know.
Ano?
Blueberry. No.
No.
It's, red berry.
Not raspberry. Ano nga to?
Thing is red berry.
Not raspberry. Yung isa.
Raspberry. It is raspberry.
Is it raspberry?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this one?
Strawberries.
And how about this one?
Head cutting freak.
Ano?
He's a head cutting freak.
What's that? What's that?
Pumpkin, it's a pumpkin.
No.
Head
No, this watermelon. And then carrots.
That goes to the head.
And this is radish. Eto, ano? Cherry. Cherry. Yes, cherry. Yes. Ang haba na nito.
Dies, tell me who you see, 'cause